Did you know there's a silent threat lurking in your veins even if you feel perfectly healthy? Blood clots, often invisible and symptomless, can pose a serious risk to your well-being. These clots form when your blood thickens and solidifies inside blood vessels. While our bodies naturally form clots to heal injuries, sometimes these clots form unnecessarily, obstructing blood flow and leading to dangerous conditions. Imagine a traffic jam in your veins. This is essentially what happens when blood clots form. Just like a traffic jam can bring things to a standstill, blood clots can disrupt the smooth flow of blood throughout your body. This blockage can lead to serious health complications, including deep vein thrombosis, pulmonary embolism, stroke, or even a heart attack. This is where vitamin K2 comes in as a potential lifesaver. This often overlooked nutrient plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood flow and preventing dangerous clot formation. Vitamin K2 is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for blood health. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring that calcium, a mineral crucial for blood clotting, goes where it's needed most, your bones. You see, there are two main types of vitamin K, K1 and K2. Vitamin K1, found primarily in leafy green vegetables, is essential for blood clotting. It helps stop bleeding when you get a cut. On the other hand, vitamin K2, found in fermented foods and animal products, plays a different but equally important role in blood health. Think of vitamin K2 as a traffic controller for calcium. It ensures that calcium is directed to your bones, where it's needed for strength and density, while simultaneously preventing it from accumulating in your blood vessels. This is crucial because calcium buildup in arteries can lead to hardening and narrowing, increasing the risk of blood clots. The good news is that you can boost your vitamin K2 intake naturally by incorporating certain foods into your diet. One of the best sources is natto, a traditional Japanese breakfast food made from fermented soybeans. Don't be put off by its unique flavor. Natto is a nutritional powerhouse. For cheese lovers, hard and soft cheeses like Gouda and Brie are excellent sources of vitamin K2. Enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Eggs are another great source, especially the yolks from pasture-raised chickens. If you enjoy meat, opt for grass-fed varieties, including organ meats like liver, which are particularly rich in vitamin K2. Lastly, don't forget about the power of fermentation. Fermented foods like sauerkraut and kimchi not only add a tangy kick to your meals, but also provide a natural boost of this essential vitamin. While vitamin K2 offers promising benefits for blood health, it's important to maintain a balanced approach. As with any supplement, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before adding vitamin K2 to your regimen, especially if you're taking blood thinners or have any underlying health conditions. Excessive intake of vitamin K2 can potentially interfere with certain medications, particularly blood thinners. So it's essential to work with your doctor to determine the appropriate dosage for you. They can assess your individual needs, consider any medications you're taking, and advise you on the safest and most effective way to incorporate vitamin K2 into your health routine. Remember, your health is a journey, not a destination. By making informed choices about your diet and lifestyle, including considering the benefits of vitamin K2, you can take proactive steps towards supporting your circulatory health and overall well-being.